Go.
Okay, so hello viewers. Today we are learning about prepositions of place.
Good. So that's that very cold introduction.
What?
You should like include stuff. You should be like, "Hey viewers, how are you doing? And welcome to this channel. Today we are learning about preposition of place, and I hope you'll enjoy the lesson. You should be lively."
Hmm.
Anyhow, let's learn about preposition, and we are going to look at a few things in the house and where they are. For example, the first one is the cat is on the table. So for this case, we shall say Nyambura ni ewi mesa.
Okay, repeat that.
Nyambura, Nyambura ni ewi mesa. Nyambura ni ewi mesa.
Mm-hmm.
So can you say that?
Nyambura ni wimesa.
Good. The book is in the back. Book ni i. Book ni i. I. Book
Huh?
ni e. Like I. Book ni e.
Oh yeah.
Bag would be what? Bag would be like a basket. So you could say okapu. Okapu. All right. Change the color.
Mm-hmm.
Book ni okapu. Say that.
Book ni okapu.
Then the ball is behind the chair becomes opira ni tok kom. Opira. Opira.
Okay.
Opira ni tok kom.
Mm-hmm.
Again.
Opira ni tokkom.
Opira ni tok kom. Say that again.
Opira opira ni Opira ni tokkom.
Good. The shoes are next to the door. Watch ni bath the ot. Watch. It has auto changed to which.
Oh.
Watch. No who. Watch
Okay.
ni bath dot. Bath. Bath. Bath.
Hmm?
Bath.
Bat.
Bath.
Hmm?
Bath. H. Bath.
Oh.
Yes. Watch ni bath dot. Can you say that?
Watch ni bath lot.
Bas. Simo ni wi mesa.
Repeat that.
Simo ni wi mesa. Say that.
Simo ni wimesa.
Good. Kalam ni buo kom sofa.
Repeat that.
Kalam ni buo kom sofa. Kom sofa. Kom.
Okay.
Yes. Can you say that?
Kalam ni kom sofa.
Good. And then we have the keys are in the drawer. Ofungu. Ofungu ni i kabat. Kabat. Ka.
Oh,
Ka.
kabat.
Ka. Kabat. Yes. Ofungu ni i kabat.
Ofungu ni i kabat.
Good. The cup is besides the plate. Okombe ni bath san. San. Okombe ni bath san. Say that.
Okombe ni bat san.
Girtugo ni nyim. 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 Not Jim. Nyim. Nyim, yes. Nyim wang liech. Gir tugo ni e nyim wang liech. Say that.
Gir tugo ni e nyim wang liech.
Then you can say bag ni e kind kombe. Ni e kind kombe. Say that.
Bag ni e kind kombe.
Good. Now let's go back to the first one
Mhm.
and let's now try to look at what it means, right?
Mhm.
On the where is it? Why did we say mesa on the first one? Bed is not mesa.
You told me to put mesa.
Mesa is not bed. It is actually otanda.
Or tanda, yeah.
Yes. Why couldn't you tell me like, hey, hey, I think that something is wrong.
Because I forget.
So ni ewi would be on top of the bed. Okay, that would mean on top.
Also, I read that as table and not bed. I don't know why.
Then inside is E.
Mhm.
See this I?
Mhm.
That is inside. The book
Okay.
is inside the bag. That is E. Then behind is tok. Say
Mhm.
tok.
Hook.
Tok.
Hook.
Tok.
Hook.
Then next to is bat.
Mhm.
Say not bat.
Bath.
Bat.
Bath.
Then on top is we.
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 Yeah, that is on top. That is we.
Mhm.
Then under is bo.
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 Now, Buo can be W-U-O or W, no, sorry. It can be B-W-O, Buo, or B-U-O, okay? Same thing.
Mhm. Bo.
Then, yes, inside is E.
E.
We said
Yeah.
that already, right?
Yeah, we already said that.
Then besides is Bat. Did we say that already?
No.
Beside is Bat. Say Bat.
Buff. Actually, we did say that. Yeah.
Yes. Nyim. Front is Nyim.
Mhm. Nyim.
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 Yes, and between is ekind.
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 Good. So, viewers, I think if you have just joined us, you can always go back and watch. You can go back and just rewind the video. And besides the video, we are giving the English and the Luo translation of everything to make your life much easier. So, I will now let Tony complete everything. Tony,
Thank
can
you.
you finish up?
Thank you for going in. Thank you for looking at the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. And we will see you later. Oriti, goodbye.
Oriti, bye bye. All right, Tony.